Alright, today I'm going to show you how to get a root shell on any Unix or Linux system that has LD preload enabled in the sudoers file. So I'm going to SSH into my virtual Solaris machine. And now that we're in, the first thing we want to do is check what permissions we have in the sudoers file to execute anything as root, sudo -l. And we see we have permissions to execute the program X as root with no password. Now normally that would only allow us to execute that program with root privileges. But because LD preload is enabled in the sudoers file, that's going to allow us to get a root shell. So first thing we want to do, we want to use the same exploit code that we did in the last video, but this time we're going to add unset env LD preload, and that's it. We simply add that one line, exploit.c, and as we did before, we want to compile this as a shared library in the temp directory as exploit.so. So using gcc Okay, so now we've got that compiled as a shared library, and what we want to do now is execute the program X, but first we're going to preload our exploit. So sudo and LD preload equals and the path to our exploit, and then the path to the program we're allowed to execute as root. And as you can see, that gives us a root shell.